Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Boeing and technical indicators. Be sure you stay to the end because little something extra at the end for you guys. Alright, so Boeing, technical indicators. Looks like market sentiment is going up, okay? We've got the MACD going higher. We have the stochastic also going higher. Earnings for Boeing are this week. Now, COVID has a major impact on Boeing, but I like Boeing in the long run because it's got basically a monopoly, a duopoly, along with Airbus over there on the other side of the ocean. So, I like the stock long term, and I think it's going back higher to 300 eventually. You can see here COVID had major impacts on Boeing, right? It's down. Huge. They made huge losses. A little loss. And hopefully this time, when they announce this week, it won't be a loss. It'll be positive. Not really sure how that's going to work out. Airline has been coming back, but it hasn't been that strong. They do have some new orders, but I wouldn't expect them to recover so quickly from the 737 Max deal. That whole debacle. A little bit of a black eye for Boeing. Although Airbus didn't really seem to capitalize on it. But it seems like Boeing still has a good customer base. They're coming back. And indicators are moving higher. So, if you want to make some money in Boeing, this is not actually financial advice. This is just educational purposes only. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell some put options in Boeing this week. Probably sell one or two options, cash covered put, and watch the stock either stay stable or go slightly higher on beating earnings expectations as they turn more positive in the post-COVID pandemic era. Now, that said, the new COVID variants could impact the entire market once again. Theta, Gamma, whatever kind of variants are out there, they're all busting us up. So, I know California and other states have implemented masks again. So this could impact the overall market and send it all lower no matter what happens with earnings like we saw before. So, to be safe, you might want to do a spread. You might want to do an iron condor because it can't fail on both sides. But I don't really see Boeing moving a whole lot lower. Even in the pandemic, it was down to $100. It was a great buying opportunity. I wish I would have picked more up then, but I didn't. So at this level, at the 200 level, 220 level, 230 level, whatever it is, probably still a good opportunity. At least make some cash flow on the stock and the cash by selling some puts. I wouldn't be selling calls just yet because it looks like it's going to move higher. So let me know what you guys think of Boeing. Be sure to subscribe to see what happens with Boeing and other stocks that I've reviewed. And I have indicators on. I do a daily options trade. And I give you guys my options trade. No problem. It's not financial advice, obviously. But they're good things. And then I do a review weekly or monthly to get off the bad side of options once they go bad, if they go bad on you. A lot of options just end up out of the money. Just take 100% profit. Good to go. Or we can manage profits later on. So that's why you need to subscribe. See how we handle those, and hopefully we can keep each other out of trouble. Alright guys, that's the tip for the day. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.